Hey guys, so today's video is going to be this look right here. Most of this stuff is affordable, but I really like this look, so I thought I would share it with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I did this look before. I will post it right here. If you like these type of videos, keep on watching, and if you really like the video at the end, give it a thumbs up. So I already washed my face, put a mask on, toned my face. What else did I do? Moisturize and put on my eye cream. So if you want to know what I use when it comes to my skincare routine, I'll do another video for that. But right now I'm going to take some primer, foundation primer, and put it on my face. So the primer I'm using is the Mary Kay foundation primer with SPF 15 in it. And I'm going to put that all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my foundation. I'm currently using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. So this is the box. I've been using this, so I just keep things in the box. But this is the bottle right here. I am in the shade 310 Burkina. I really like this because it's full coverage. Like it's the most full coverage foundation I have. So I'm going to be using this today. And sorry for the shifting of the lights. The cloud is going in front of the sun, so yeah, that's what happens with natural lighting. But yeah, I'm going to be using this, and yeah, I'm going to show you some other Juvia's Place products that I'm going to be using in this video as well. The thing I like about this, you only need a little bit to get your full coverage look. So I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm going to put maybe like a little bit on my face, like maybe one dot here, if you don't fall on me, and then another dot here. I'm going to take a little bit more because I'm not done yet. Just for the forehead, a very tiny bit. Okay, so that's enough. I'm going to take that and blend out the rest of my face. Using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I use the shade, I can't speak today, the shade J11 or 11. I'm going to put this under my eyes. This is another product that you use a little bit of because a little goes a long way. You put too much, it's going to be like extra thick and extra cakey. You don't want that. It has a creamy, very creamy consistency, so I'm going to put a little bit under here. Like that much. That's it. That's all you get. So I'm going to blend that out with my sponge as well. So yeah, that's it, blend it out. Probably need to blend it out some more, but I'm going to move on. Now I'm about to do brows. I use the same brow pencil all the time, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Mine's is broken, but it's still useful. So I'm going to use every last drop. I am in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to start drawing on these eyebrows. My eyebrows may look a little crazy, but that's what concealer is for, thank God. So I'm gonna take my Radient Creamy Concealer in Hazelnut and fix up my brows. Now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder, and I am in the shade Gobi, or that's the shade that I got, to set my face. I don't know if I should set or bake, but I might just let it like sit for 1 minute. So now I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute, and yeah, I'll be back. Now I'm about to take my Sigma brush, and this is the brush F30, which is the large powder brush. Sorry for my voice, it's kind of raspy. I'm gonna just brush it off. So now I'm about to contour my face. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. You see me use this before, so I'm just going to put it right here, put it right here, a little under here, and then on my forehead, and blend it out. The brush I'm going to be using is the Medium Sculpting Brush by Real Techniques. So right now I'm going to be using a eyeshadow primer. It's going to be the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. We've seen everybody wear that before. I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. So today's eyeshadow palette is going to be the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. I've used it before. You've seen pictures on Instagram if you are following me. But yeah, this is the palette right here. And when you open it up, it got a whole bunch of great shades. So this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty colors. I love the colorful colors because I don't have that many with colors like this, like that many palettes. So this one is good. So I'm going to be taking my E40 Sigma brush, and I'm going to dip my brush in Ada. And Ada is this color right here. I'm gonna dip it in there, and then I'm gonna put it all over my crease. Next shade I'm going to be taking is Zulu, and Zulu is this color right here. I'm going to dip my brush into that, and then go back into the same crease area. Now I'm gonna take Fulani. Fulani is this shade right here. And I'm going to dip in that with my Sony Akashic medium blending brush. And I'm gonna go into the inner part of my crease. So I'm going to take some concealer, just a very little bit, and put it in my crease area. Matter of fact, I'm not going to even do that because I already put primer and all that other stuff, so it should be good. I'm going to take Cairo, yeah, Cairo, I think it's called. This shade right here, this shade I love the most out of the whole palette. This brownish golden tone right here is just wonderful. What is this brush? This is the Base Shadow Brush by Real Techniques. This is the purple brush. And I'm going to take that brush and put it in Cairo, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. Yes, the color payoff is wonderful. Now I'm going to work on my highlight. My highlight will be, I might just make it Casablanca because I don't want it like too brightening. I'm gonna take my E40 brush again, dip it in Casablanca, and put it in the highlight area. Make sure you blend it between the crease color and yeah, so you can soften up some of those harsh lines. And then if you want to be extra cute, you can add some color at the bottom lash line. I might do it. Last time I did blue, and I used either Zola or Dahlia or Molly. I might just use Molly. I think it was Molly. The brush I'm going to be using for that is the Morphe M431. So I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm going to dip it in Molly and put it underneath the lash line, or at the bottom lash line, should I say. So I don't know if you can see that. I can zoom in a little bit more. There you go. Now I'm gonna take all those colors and put it on this side, and I will be back with eyeliner and stuff. This is the complete eye look. For eyeliner, I use the Fenty Beauty Flyliner. And then for the mascara, I use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This stuff is thick. Matter of fact, I just poked my eye with this stuff as I was trying to put it on. So my eyes are a little bit watery right now. Next is going to be blush and highlight, and then I'm going to do lips last. So for my cheeks, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. palette. I'm going to be using either one of these two shades down here. Sorry for the reflecting. But yeah, these two down here. And then I'm going to be using my Milanni, what do they call it? Face and Eye Strobe palette. The brush I'm going to be using for my blush is the Sigma F40, which is the large angle contour brush. And let me do this shade instead of that shade because I don't want to be looking like too much. Now for the highlight, the brush I'm going to be using is the Real Techniques setting brush. I just use it for highlight. So here we go. And I'm going to be using the gold portion of the palette. So now I'm going to be doing lips, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Gingerbread Girl. Too Faced relaunched this product in the middle of the summer. So if you didn't get it, I don't think it's coming back. So it would be nice if it came back during the holiday season, but I doubt it if it will. But I'm going to be putting this on my lips. It's just like a wonderful neutral and a great lip color for fall. And not only that, it smells really good too, so yeah. So now I'm about to set. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Almost out of this one, and I already bought another one. I use the mini size because, yeah, I don't need a big one. So that's basically it for this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns about any of the products or how that I put it on, just put it in the comment section. I'm also going to put like the product description in the the description section as well. This look is very easy to me. Juvia's Place and all the products that I use as far as eye and face products is very affordable. The most expensive thing was probably the eyeliner, the mascara, and the lip product, and that's it. But as far as everything else, even the blush and the highlight is very inexpensive. It's drugstore products. So yeah, that completes the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.